There's a time and a place for all this. This is not the place for all this. Is there a reason why you're saying all this? And can we talk about it later? I've gotta right my wrongs. With you is where I belong. You've been down from the go. Recognition's what you want, and it's something that I should know. Something that I should know. All the things that you went through, girl, I never meant to put you through it twice. Oh, tell me, how can I right my wrongs? There's something that I should know.
So babies, we are done. We are back home, and yeah, right now I'm gonna show you guys a haul and some of the things that I bought on my previous video where I went hygiene shopping. I didn't do a haul, so I got these for 15 rands. The blades that I'm going to use on my face because we're gonna have a self-care day. And then today, okay, mom bought me this washcloth for slap, and I've been wanting another one because I want to get used to changing my bath clothes like every 6 months or 3, I'm not sure. And then I've been wanting a face mask, and this 7 rand at a local beauty shop. So this is the name of the brand. Yeah, and this is the mask. It is the green tea refreshing mask. So we are about to feel refreshed, hopefully. Hopefully. And it was in the fridge. I put it in the fridge, so it is so cold. It is so cold. I cannot wait to do this. So tell me when you want to see a video. Yeah, self-care. And then I got this dupe. Yeah, 212. This smells so good. It smells so good. The tester. And they do last. They do last. It is so cute. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. It is so cute. Oh my god. Look at this. What? And sorry for the background noise. It is that time of the year where every child in the neighborhood has fireworks. So yeah, this is the one. It is so beautiful. I don't know, it looks like something. It is so cute. I don't know what. Ooh, it is so cute, guys. Look at this. And it smells so good. Like, it smells so good. Let me put it here. It smells so good. So yeah, affordable, and it is good. So right now I'm going to edit Vlogmas Day 6. Yeah, Vlogmas Day 6. This one is Vlogmas Day 7. And try to get done because that video, yeah, I will reset that reset video. Oh, it messed everything up. Like, I am behind schedule. So we are gonna do that and get things done. So let's continue.